You are now watching Showbiz Snob, your daily showbiz update. Naging spoiler nga ba itong si Lovie po matapos nga na ihayag niya sa kanyang Instagram 15 hours ago na siya ay aalis na nga ng tuluyan or magsa-signing off na sa Batang Quiapo. Yes, isa nga si Mokang o ang karakter ni Lovie po na minahal ng mga netizen sa Batang Quiapo na inaabangan araw-araw para makita ang adventure nila ni Coco Martin. Talagang nakadagdag nga ng saya at lungkot ang kanilang love story. Pero ngayon ay mas nalungkot nga ang mga netizen matapos nga na ihayag ni Lovie po na aalis na siya sa ang Batang Quiapo. Narito po ang buong pahayag ni Lovie sa kanyang Instagram post. Sa caption ni Lovie po, sinabi niyang, I am truly blessed to have been part of a project that represents my father's name. It was a first and it will always mean the world to me. My deepest appreciation to Sir Deo, Tita Cory, and ABS-CBN for this opportunity. You have given me a missing piece to my puzzle. For that, I will always be grateful. A big part of my 2023 was breathing life into a character I have grown to love. What a privilege it was to play Mokang. She was a fighter, and she taught me how it is to truly be free. It really was a tough decision for me to make, but I have decided to turn the page. To my Batang Quiapo team, the depth of your creativity and imagination knows no bounds, and I know you. You will continue to soar high. I will always be cheering for all of you from afar. Mamimiss ko kayo ng malala. To my dearest tagapagtanggol, maybe in other life, Direk Coco, my dad's legacy is in great hands. Salamat at pinagpapatuloy mo. Coco, I will always be one of your biggest fans. Please try to get some sleep. At sa mga nagmamahal kay Mokang, sobrang mahal ko din kayo. Maraming salamat po. Inyong tropa Mokang, now signing off. Samantala, sa comment section naman ng Instagram post na ito ni Lovie po ay marami nga ang nalungkot sa kanyang pag-alis. Anyway, sabi nga ni Lovie po ay kailangan niya talagang gawin ito. Dahil alam naman natin nakakasal lang ni Lovie at syempre kailangan naman niyang magkaroon ng time sa kanyang bagong family. Say ng isa, getting married and having to leave the show for a while, I thought that this will happen. But even if we want Mokang to end up with Tanggol, whatever happens, you need to decide and we need to accept. We will all miss you, Mokang, but nevertheless, soar high, Miss Lovie. Excited to see you, your new journey. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snob update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners and thank you for watching Showbiz Snob.